Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically the 77th and 12th number data science project. In this, one person told here, Sunil, basically, we want one data science project basically that should give this type of data. For example, you told that basically uh, if conditions are basically connected with the 10,000 cities, 20,000 cities, right? Basically, that basically we got it. That whenever basically the if condition comes, 20,000 city basically gets connected, and Facebook basically handles according to the cities basically. That also basically we got it. But here one person basically asked the tricky question basically. That is like this: if employee number, or basically if Aadhaar card number equal to this. So if Aadhaar card number equal to this, so Aadhaar card number, according to the Aadhaar card number, his address basically is going to checked, and according to the address, his physical existence basically the power company is going to check. So one person told that, yeah, basically how this might be doing basically, how they basically can check the physical existence through on the base of the simple Aadhaar card number basically. So that was basically very tricky. But they power company basically physically, the energy company, the nuclear power company basically checks physical person existence basically according to the Aadhaar card. If the Aadhaar card, according to the Aadhaar card, the address basically, whatever address basically available with the power company, they basically checks it basically. And after checking basically, they physically checks through the power company basically. How basically they checks, that basically might be some tricky basically. They checks whether the person basically exists or not basically. If he exists, not exists, that else condition basically are there. So one person told that, like this, how many checking basically are there in if condition? At least basically there might be how much basically? Might be more than 2,000 crore, 3,000 crore, 5,000 crore, 5 lakh crore, 6 lakh crore, 7 lakh crore, 8 lakh crore. How much basically? 10 lakh crore, 20 lakh crore, 30 lakh crore, 90 lakh crore. Like this condition would be how much basically? So this is basically the data science project basically, that is must basically for the power companies and for the country basically. When the war basically starts, that time basically this would be the most important data science project. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about this rest of basically stuff basically, that is while, loop, for loop, etc.